Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most stylish and secure element you can add to your home. Iron grill door design. Iron grill door design are not just about safety, they are also bring beauty, durability and elegance to your entrance. In this video, we will explore different type of iron grill doors, their design, style, practical benefit and some trending ideas to inspire your own home makeover. So let's get started. Why choose an iron grill door? Iron grill doors have been used for centuries and even today they remain one of the most popular choice for main entrance, side doors and even internal security partition. But what makes them so special? Strength and security. Iron is though making it extremely difficult for intruders to break through. Durability, unlike wood, which may rot, or aluminium, which may bend, iron doors are long lasting. Customization, iron can be molded into any shapes, from simple straight line to floral pattern. The design possibilities are endless. Elegance and aesthetic. A beautifully designed grill door can completely transform the look of your home. Low maintenance. With a good anti-rust coating, these doors require minimal upkeep. So, iron grill doors are not just functional, they are an investment in style and safety. So that everything you need to know about iron grill door design. They are strong, long lasting and come in a wide range of pattern, from traditional floral to ultra modern minimalist. Whether you are building a new home or renovating your old one, an iron grill door can instantly add safety, value, and beauty to your property. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home